In this slide, I want for we understand certain syntax them we get for can you make use of. Although I don't explain some of the why there. Now my initial videos them when I be try for introduce a web development, especially this one we call Razor, this Ash, now Razor syntax. If you want to understand, visit them videos and there I think will be help for you. We continue. What actually we do now, yeah? Now I want to explain. I've been on tell now initially from a previous video say if we use the post method now, yeah, this post method we get for put so many elements in here like username, password, first name, date of birth, to say born, all those components with the wrapper and the HTML and I'm sorry, and the HTTP post body. You know, they put on the URL, neither able read them, nor the history of the browser, so that hacker not able intercept them. When you don't wrap, I don't protect them, then it will allow you for let you send, let me say, huge amount of elements them. Good. Now that make we use this form method.post. But it tell you say because of the use the post, you get also an opportunity for let you use this now the action this, now the method this, where you see now a controller where they call branch. Inside the branch controller, you say go to how you do the direct and say go to the branch controller. Look for one method where they call file upload. You go to the branch controller, you go look for the method where they call file upload. Then what the file upload they do is the file upload now they execute the remaining. After they don't submit then thing they have to run, now they execute the remaining. Now so actually it they do. So for this one the n-type multipath data, now in they will help you for let you upload if you document them. But we will discuss that when we reach there. Come to the render partial. This is very important to get for can use them. You they see most of the one the way I do I say HTML.render partial or HTML.action. You get for see most of it right there. What in this they do? Let me explain a quick one. We'll get a form we'll call upload partial, meaning we'll get on a view. You know, say view now form same. Let you understand. We'll get a small form. When they say partial, now a small form, now small form same. Now they will call partial view. We want for get small form same, where if we want for now just small information you need to take for allow you do small thing. But what you can do, for example, this is the web page this. Yeah, all about me basic information, meaning me educational information. I don't design a small form we talk about me upbringing or a place of birth. That form in the handler. So I want that form they can inside this main form na here. But post for no say now two forms and na here. So inside the main form, all of in end, then I can say render partial. So it they count that balance information there for can integrate for fiber like now one great single form. This is the concept of partial view. So all the written way I don't explain, now actually it they do. Now let's see, you say this line of code is an instruction in an ASP.NET MVC view that renders or generates a partial view named, and the partial view named this. You don't see? Into a current view. Let me break them down. What in this mean? Partial view in ASP.NET. In ASP.NET, a view can be divided into smaller reusable components called partial view. A partial view are like smaller pieces of a view that can be rendered independently and then combined to create the final HTML output. I think I don't explain them. So let's not waste too much time. Let me go to the next slide. And also this also now I explain we explain say when you don't create your partial view, you don't create your main view. You call the partial view to the main view so that you go able to add to the main view and get a complete sense of what you want for present to the browser. Let's say for example, students plus and grade sem. You get a partial view where they handle the grade sem. You get the main view where they handle the student information. The main view don't present all the student information. They want for see in semester grades by semester. They create a partial view for that. So now that in they do. Then but when they can integrate the partial view to the main view, then you go feel like now a single, like two tables them. You want for combine them. Like then joins them in database. Well, you use inner joins. If you understand database, then a similar thing now. All the way there, now they explain, you go read them. But I don't explain everything what you supposed to understand. Render. What is render they talk about now? I'm not going to explain them in detail again. I'm sorry, I'm not going to read that in detail. Render now for give, now for present, now for show, now for output something. Now in a render. You don't see? In HTML markup language, now the language what they will use for let and transform the syntax in there to the browser so that the end user will able read them and understand them. Now in render they deal with. So if you read that, now you understand exactly. Now in back I explain for detailed understanding. Let you go know proper one. I think that's the end with tutorials so far. Keep relaxed. Now can go into the application proper one. Once again, don't forget for hit the notification bell. I'm so yes, and don't forget for share. Don't forget for subscribe and share so that other people will benefit. Once again, I say tata. Relax. Now can go now to the application proper one. This one here, now we can explain them. Because if we don't know anything then they, guess what? All the syntax there, where I don't explain, look this one here. What if I can pass, I can explain everything I have again. Say this this the action is, this the method is. Meaning go to branch method. Now go to branch controller. Cancel controller. Look for controller what they call branch. Good. I can't get back. Just get this file upload now. Go to branch controller. Then so go look for a function where they call file upload. If you want to see and quick, just copy and there. You say Control F now for fena and paste now. Then la fena now. If they can look for and look at now. You don't see? So this function now the controller now is responsible for now we upload the files. So now this time we will explain what in they do. But when we reach there, we will see how they connect to each other. So when you send data or you want to upload data to the server, when you click the upload file, what did they do for you? You don't see? Now actually then two things they do. So like how me find an amount so back the go find now when they hit. So they can explain now what in this mean. The dev express syntax, form layout, although we don't explain other forms them, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to explain them views there. Proper one, this partial view explainer, this grid view explainer, this open grid view explainer, this file list partial for explainer, the file list partial open, the upload, and the index. Good. What's it happen? All the while then are small views then. Now they will come put inside this main view called index. You don't see? If one for see this one, I also put now the main view, you go just copy go to the index view, you go find and there. Say paddy, who's at this here? I want for see actually who's a putter. So you go you see now. You just use say return this man. But they explain when we reach there. So once again, I say tata to them, relax and ready now for go into the answer proper one.